Hey guys, I finally put together the protein bar that I was talking about, I think at Christmas time. My husband, he always pulls out these items every single day or just about every day. And I wanted to have it on the counter so that he can have it accessible for him. So usually this is about the middle of the counter. The cabinet is here to where he pulls everything out. So what I did yesterday is I just organized that, and I'll go over that in 1 second. And I just made it really simple. I used this tray, and I had this, yeah, I used this tray, and I got the tray from Walmart. You can use whatever, you don't have to use a tray, but I just figured it would be best to corral everything together. I also wanted to use what I already had. If I find some better jars in the future, that would be great, but I really wanted to organize some things in my home, but I really wanted to use what I have because I have a son going off to school, and yeah, those dollars are adding up. Okay, I had these for a while. I have used them in my pantry, and I actually had doubles because I don't know what bright idea I had one time, but it came from Roses, but I have seen these somewhere else, these glass containers. I don't know, I can't remember where, but I was like, these same things were at Roses. And I know the one in our town is going out of business, so you may find them at there, but I got them so long ago that, but I have seen them somewhere. I don't know if it was Walmart, Target, somewhere I've seen them. So I put these labels on, and they are popping off, so I'm just going to put some tape behind them. It's on the keratin and also the Whey Protein, so it keeps popping off on the corner. And these labels, I had them in my stash. They came from Target One Spot. So what I have here is mainly Jason's stuff. So he likes to use fiber, and this wasn't all the fiber that was in it, because he got the big thing. Let me show you. It's just about all of it. So he likes to use the Benefiber to put in his protein drink to make himself more fuller. I don't do that, but that's what he does. And so I put it in the small one. The keratin, I can't remember, guys, exactly what keratin is. Cottrell, do you know?
Workout supplement
To help build muscle, I believe, keratin. And so we had many discussions about this, especially with trying to have a baby and so forth. And Jason was like, hope it's safe, because you know he's not about that life. But I don't know, I just felt like it was something that is foreign to your body. But anyway, and so this is with his keratin here, and I think he needs some more. He forgot he had it because I had it already on here in another container, and then stashed away in the dining room. So anyway, then also the pre-workout, he needs some more of this, and I think he orders his stuff off of bodybuilder.com, because I told him that he probably needs to order off a website, which I didn't know he was. And I think this is his pre-workout that he's using right now. So he used different ones, and I'm not a fitness specialist. He is, but I'm not. And I'm not promoting any of these items. I'm just showing you what's in them because it's all white. So if you were interested. Then back here in the back is my Whey Protein. I have showed this on Instagram. Let me get the bottle. And I purchased this from Target, but I see that Walmart has it too. It's the protein and greens, and I really like this. All protein, to me, more to my mom, it seemed like it was hard for us to find a protein that we really like and that tastes good. And I like this a lot. And Jason doesn't like it because he's not a fan of chocolate. He said it tastes real chocolatey, and I guess that's why I like it. But I really, really like this. And I have a sample back here in the back I just stuck here, and I want to try the chocolate itself. So that's the vanilla, and I need some more. And it's about $24. It is pricey, but I think it's worth it because I like it. The Whey Protein, this is Jason's. He goes through this really quickly. He just gets his from... He has bought it from GNC, but this is the Body Fortress Whey Protein from Walmart. So I think this is like $17 to $19 or something like that. I think, you know, he can tolerate just about anything, but I can't. And then I have a Nutribullet over here. I just left it out and wrapped a cord around it, and Jason has put a beating on that. So going down here at the bottom, I always had this like this, but because my boys helped me with washing dishes and so forth, they kind of got it in disarray. So I straightened it yesterday, and I just have like, these are all the cups that come with the Nutribullet, and these are the attachments. So you just screw that on. And I think I had some footage where I made a smoothie, and I'll see if I can find that and put it with this video. And then all his cups and different cups and so forth. My teenager loves to get, he was getting my cups at one time, so some of my lids are missing. And then here's the Nutribullet book. It has like lots of different, let me show you if you're interested, tons of different recipes for like inflammation, if you're having high blood pressure, detoxifying, to help you sleep better, all different things. And I think I may have ordered this. I don't know if they have it in the store with the book bundled together with the bullet, but at the time this was the newest one, and I think they have other ones now, but I think, yeah, I ordered this one online, so that's why I got the book. So they may sell the books with it. So all different types of healing foods and recipes and remedies and so forth. But I usually just use strawberries, blueberries, some spinach, and some almond milk, usually in mine. I think that may be it that I can think of. So I like the Nutribullet. I want to upgrade to some, or try something different like the Ninja or something, but right now Jason's like, that's fine. So I was like, well, he uses it more than me, which I should be using it more than him. So guys, I hope this was helpful for you guys. I think this was going to work out for us really well, because I just got frustrated with him. He'll pull out all his stuff every single day like that, and some days he'll put it up and some days he won't. So that's spouse life. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.